Give them God, give them lies. Let me shoot, let me die, let me fall, let me fly. Who I am, that's implied. I'm a fraud, I'm a fake. Let me run, let me wait, let me cry, let me ache. Oh God, where's your face?
This is the 2020 Mazda CX-8 two-wheel drive signature in deep crystal blue. This unit is completely built in Japan and known as the best family-friendly SUV in the market. It's a combination of luxury and sportiness. Take a look at this gorgeous 19-inch gunmetal alloy wheels and its unique horizontal grille insert. Under the hood, we have the Sky Active, the latest tech in engine developed by Mazda, which is built for power and fuel efficiency. Driving this is a delight, since its body and chassis is lighter compared to others, but rigid. You have superior safety with its iActive Sense technology. G-vectoring control ensures smooth transitions over varying conditions. We're driving right now the Mazda CX-8, and as always, Mazda cars exceed expectations.
That's not a surprise since Mazda is known to be one of the most reliable vehicles in the market.
Just like the first dealership in North Luzon, Mazda Pampanga, which was once awarded Provincial Dealer of the Year.
Mazda is also known to receive praises from its users. One of them is our guest today, Juan Miguel Soriano. Let's get to know him.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz.
I'm Nicolette Henson-hizon.
And this is Stories on Wheels.
So GM, before this pandemic, can you share with us kung ano yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo and also understand na nag-aaral ka to become a pilot?
Yes, ma'am. So, dahil sa pandemic, so halos lahat po tayo natigil yung pace sa buhay na napigilan yung momentum natin. So, ako po nag-focus ako sa sarili ko muna since naka-quarantine tayo. Chinay ko yung mental health, physical. So, nag-engage ako lalo sa workout. Paano lang, maintain lang yung physical fitness. Ganun. And then, hinanda ko rin yung sarili ko na mas maging equipped para sa pagbalik after the pandemic. Ayun.
Right now, di ba? Parang nag-aaral ka to become a pilot.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell us, what was your path towards this
Was this
career?
your childhood dream?
Actually, ma'am, yes. Nung bata ako, pag may dumadaang aeroplano sa taas, talagang nagmamadali ako, halimbawa nakahiga, babangon ako. Para lalabas ako, titingnan ko sa taas, talagang amazed na amazed ako. And then nandun pa yung wonder ko as a kid na, paano lumilipad yun, may tao ba? And then fast forward sa ngayon, para siyang humbling experience sa akin kasi ganito pala siya, ganito pala yung hirap para makuha siya, para yung dedication para ma-achieve yung skill as a pilot. Ayun.
Okay, so ngayon, isa kang private pilot and how many flying hours to go para maging commercial pilot?
Hindi, pero gusto kong malaman muna, how does one become a private
Pilot, yes.
Yun ang ganda ng tanong. Sir. So, para maging private pilot, so you have to undergo ground training and then 9 or 11 subjects. So, it includes math, physics, meteorology, aral sa ulap, aral sa hangin, computations po. And then, lahat ng theoretical nasa grounds mo. So, ihahanda ka mental, physical, you have to check yourself, dapat wala kang bisyo. Yung ano ka, hindi ka mayabang, kasi bawal siya eh. Kasi marami kang dadaling buhay, decisive ka, ayun ma'am. So, yun yung mga first na kailangan mong makuha sa grounds. And then, as you finish that, mag-move up ka to, ano na talaga, sir, actual flight na talaga.
So, JM, you mentioned, di ba, off-cap, yung talagang undergrad mo is architecture.
Yes, sir.
Which is quite, parang, to me,
Hindi
you
siya
ask me,
ideal
hindi siya,
na course before you
kumbaga,
become
hindi
a pilot.
siya yung parang, normally kasi, ang pagkakaalam ko, people who wants to become a pilot,
Yes, sir.
they either take aeronautical engineering
Yes.
or parang mga aircraft maintenance, anything related to aircraft, di ba? So, what made you decide to cross over from being an architecture student or an architect to becoming a pilot?
Ayun, sir. Doon, sir, actually may story siya. Medyo paakyat yung story. Nasa choices ko talaga yung architecture since mahilig din talaga ako mag-drawing, mag-art. Yung imagination ko sa mga sa mga buildings and structures. So nandoon siya. So as I move up sa course ko, parang mahal ko naman siya. Talagang ginagawa ko siya with puso. Pero dumating sa punto na na rin ma'am, yung financial matters na parang kaya na. Parang kaya ko na to. And then, ayun ma'am, plinano ko na after this, tutuparin ko na yung sobrang extreme dream ko. Childhood dream.
Okay.
Kasi back then, para sa akin hindi pa siya possible. Yung circumstances, hindi pa siya ina-allow. So, ayun, sir, ayun ma'am. Parang parang napakaganda ng pagkakataon. Kasi parang nag-converge lahat ng mga bagay para matupad ko yung mga.
Right timing. No?
Timing.
Being at
Right
the right
place
place
at
at the right time. So, yun yung right. Importante sa isang tao ngayon, lalo na yung meron kang sariling sasakyan. Lalo na ikaw, you go to school or you work or shooting, ganyan. So, ang napili mong car, Mazda.
Yes,
So, what made you decide ba to purchase a car from Mazda Pampanga?
Ayun, may story na naman, ma'am. Mahilig ako sa story. Actually, sir, ma'am, nangyari yun kasi namimili ako ng kotse. And then, sobrang nakikita ko siya dati habang nagko-commute ako. Nakikita ko, sabi, napakaganda ng curves na to. Tapos parang hindi siya OA, hindi siya yung parang in your face na car. Parang ganun siya, parang siya may elegance if you need it, sportiness if you need it. And then, may subtleness if you need it. Parang sobrang panalo yung mixture niya, sir. So, ayun, as the years go by, nag-try ako mag-check. Yung circumstances okay na rin, so check out. And then, interiors, all talagang panalo, sir. So, ito talaga yung pinaka.
So, you are driving a Mazda 3?
Yes, sir.
Correct, okay.
Mazda 3, sir.
So, why Mazda Pampanga? Kasi you're living in Manila, di ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Paano ka napunta sa Pampanga?
Ang nangyari nun, sir, kasi may nakilala kong ahente sa Facebook, sa social media. And then sabi ko, tulungan mo naman ako maghanap ng unit kasi wala hindi sa Manila, nag-ikot ako. Yung unit na gusto ko, yung machine gray metallic.
Okay.
Tapos 2.0 yung makina. Yun yung pinapahanap ko. And then nagkataon na yung kausap ko, kilala si Sir Hermie. And then, ayun na, pumasok na.
Okay.
Na nandito daw, may unit daw sila dito sa Mazda Pampanga. And then sabi ko, sige sir, sige, reserve na ako kasi gusto ko talaga yan.
Pero niya talaga kagusto yun.
Yes, ma'am. Tapos, yun na.
Okay.
Nag-connect-connecta na lahat.
So you traveled all the way from Manila?
Yes, sir. Oo, ganun. So, actually, yung transaction namin, everything is online. Tawagan, so trust na lang. Ganun. And then, napakabait nila, sir, kasi talagang dineliver nila sa Paranaque, although ito Paranaque yung unit. So, hindi pa kami nagkikita physically. They'll deliver, bank transfer, ganyan lang lahat. Ganun.
That's customer service. So, how was it so far? Yung experience mo, of course, you can talk about your after-sales naman ngayon, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, how satisfied are you with Mazda Pampanga?
Actually, sir, I'm very satisfied. Kasi whenever I need something, paano tong ganyan? Nandyan agad sila, tapos sasagot sa akin. Tapos parang hindi yung na after nilang may benta, wala. So parang may puso pa rin. Nagkaroon, actually parang kaibigan yung turingan. So, okay sa akin yun, sir. Tapos panalo. Kasi, kagaya nung sir, halimbawa kailangan ko ng PMS. And then, ahead of the schedule, talaga may message na nila ako for para may linya na ako. Like, gano'n. So, sobrang sir, sobrang panalo ng service, even after sale. So,
which is malaking bagay. Diba? So baka, hindi ko let, pabili siya ng CX-8.
Oo nga.
Ating featured car,
Tignan natin sa
mamaya.
ating test drive,
Diba?
baka bigla mag-upgrade na si
Exactly, or additional car. Second
Oo
car.
nga.
Ako. Kasi, di ba, baka coding. Kailangan niya ng panibago.
Extra.
Make a statement on the road when driving a CX-8. Step inside the 7-seater PPV and you'll be greeted with luxury and space. We have heated and ventilated seats, plus a heated steering wheel. The Napa leather and real wood trim here is truly striking. You'll have plenty of storage space with its cargo room of 775-liter with rear seats folded down up to the roof. Mazda is a known master in NVH engineering. Thus, the auditory experience inside with the Bose premium sound system is immaculate. This CX-8 is packed full of advanced technology to keep its driver and passengers connected and safe. We have active driving and multi-performance meter display, 360-degree view monitor, one-touch walk-in third-row switch, power tailgate, traction control system, radar cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, smart brake support, and adaptive headlamps. Other convenience features are its folding power mirrors, butterfly opening center console, tri-zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB ports, Bluetooth, DVD, and smartphone mirroring. This is how you do class above experience in a vehicle, and the Mazda CX-8 got it for you.
you're also moonlighting as an actor.
Yes sir. So ano lang yun, yung nasimulan ko dati. So para siyang yung kinuha kong role, pinag-auditionan ko is action. Yung nakuha ko as in talagang sobrang engaging niya. May hawak na mga baril.
Okay.
And then may mga empty bullets naman siya. So talagang gagapang, babaril.
So may actual training talaga for that?
Yes ma'am. So parang nangyari nun parang 1 week ahead, nag-train na for yung tamang galaw, yung short na galaw lang, hindi exaggerated. So mga ganun.
Calculated.
Yes sir.
So sino yung mga main actors sa movie mo na yun?
Yung nakasama ko dun sir, si Martin Escudero, yung batch 2 batch 2 ng Starstruck sa GMA. And then sila Miss Tanya Gomez, sila Sir Res Cortez, yun sir, sila yung mga main cast. And then the others mga from theaters. Yes sir.
So hindi ka naman nag-gender ka din?
Hindi sir, parang self-taught. And then kila Kuya Mon Confiado, sila yung mga nagiging coach ko. Magtatanong ako, sir, Kuya Mon, paano tong ganito? Paano tong ganihan? So talagang napakabait nila magturo talaga, sir.
So at least may guidance ka from the professionals.
Yes, sir.
Veterano.
Ano naman, are there any roles na gusto mong i-portray in the future?
Ang gusto ko sana, sir, mahilig talaga kasi ako sa action eh.
Okay.
So yung mga pinag-auditionan ko, yung mga action, gusto ko yung sobrang physically engaging niya. Bukod doon sa pag-arte.
Okay.
Kung ako ba yung dream role ko siguro, parang drama siya na sobrang intense, tapos may action pa rin, sir. Parang sobrang alive, sir.
So parang mga FPJ, tapos may konting shoutout ko nito. So ano yung mga nagustuhan mo dito sa
Yung mga nagustuhan mo dito sa Mazda CX-8?
CX-8. Yun nga sir, kagaya nung napansin ko kaagad pagpasok ko, sobrang igigreet ka nung nung napaka-prestige niyang leathers and all. Talagang ramdam mo hindi siya tinipid.
So the luxury feel.
Yes sir, yung na usually makikita mo sa mga European cars, gano'n. And then yung feel nung pag-drive mo, sobrang smooth yung engine niya. So tingin ko sobrang perfect niya for long drive. Hindi ka masistress, hindi ka mapapagod sa pag-maneuver sa mga lugar-lugar.
And I think that's because yung Mazda merong Sky Active technology.
Yeah.
No? So yung power, it's still there, no? Pero at
Mas
the same
fuel
time,
efficient.
mas fuel
So
efficient.
Sky Active is actually a proprietary technology of Mazda.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Kaya makikita mo na there's smoothness ng ride. Yung power niya nandun pa rin. But at the same time, it's fuel efficient.
Yes, sir. So talagang pag-apak mo, damang-dama mo, plus may 360 camera.
Yun. ang ganda ba dyan?
Sobrang
Iwas
matutulungan
pagka.
ka. Yes, sir.
So Nicolette, for a tall person like you, so what can you say about
You know
leg
naman,
room?
the favorite part ng mga may long legs. Yan, ang leg room, sobrang comfortable dahil ang laki talaga ng space. So,
Yeah.
kung mahaba-haba yung biyahe, talagang komportable yung pasahero or even yung driver.
I think yung sinasabi din ni JM, no? Because yung luxury feel, makikita mo dun sa finish nitong, yung mga stitchings nitong leather seat.
Yes, sir.
Pulido, ang ganda, ang linis tignan.
Ang linis tignan. Tapos ang linis din tignan ng dashboard. And what can you say about yung sa, dun sa display ng iyong
Eto sir, yung heads-up display niya.
yeah.
Eto sobrang sobrang friendly niya sa mata. Etong in-upgrade nila.
So, active display na ba yung tawag?
active display.
Yes, ma'am, active na siya. So, kasi yung unit ko, so 2018 siya. So, panel pa siyang umaangat. Ang nangyayari madalas, lalo pag gabi, nagre-refocus yung mata ko. So, medyo nahihirapan ako. Eto sir, hindi. Kasi kahit yung peripheral mo
Nandun na siya.
Nandun na siya. Sobrang ang galing. Sobrang friendly niya sa mata, sir.
So far, happy ka naman sa yung Mazda.
Yes, sir, sobra.
Can you talk us about sige, go ahead please.
And yung sir, sobrang sir, kumbaga parang yung lineup niya sobrang solid. Sobrang kahit ano yung kunin mo sa lineup niya, parang the value for money is really there.
And then maybe you can share to our viewers about the 5-year free DMS ng Mazda.
Yes, sir. So, sobrang advantage nun, sir, sa mga kukuha ngayon, sa later buyers. Kasi, yung sa akin, nakuha ko 2018, yung Yojin 3. Tama, sir, Yojin 3.
Yeah.
So, 3 years pa.
Yes, ma'am. 3 years pa lang yung sa akin.
Pero dahil this year, no? Simula
Yeah.
April 2020, 5-year free PMS.
So that includes parts and labor. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Experience Japanese craftsmanship and innovation on your ride. Visit Mazda Pampanga at Jose Abad Santos Avenue Highway, Dolores, City of San Fernando. Get a hold of their 5-year free service plan, including parts, oil, and labor. Contact any of these sales executives to discuss more about their promos. Charmaine Marasigan, Edna Reyes, Aaron Andres. Award-winning vehicles by liking and following their Facebook page, Mazda Pampanga Official. Rediscover the joy of driving with Mazda CX-8. Stay up to date with our stories by following our social media pages.
The Mazda CX-8 is the everyday luxury car you and your family and friends have been waiting for. Let us know in the comments if you have any requests for a next feature. Make sure to subscribe here on CLTV36 because we will be presenting more videos of different brands which might be your next ride.
I'm Ariel de la Cruz.
I'm Nicolette henson-hizon.
And this is Stories on Wheels.